we'll guide you through how to change Figma background color to white. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the search bar to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application on your computer. After the browser launches, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, go to the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before continuing, make sure you're logged into your Figma account so you can access your files. From the Recently Viewed section on the homepage, click your latest project to open it. The edit page of your project will appear, displaying the canvas and all available design tools. To change the page background color to white, begin by clicking an empty gray area of the canvas. This ensures that the page itself is selected instead of a frame or another layer. Next, move your cursor to the design panel on the right side of the interface. Under the page heading, locate the color box and click it to open the color settings. When the color picker appears, click the color swatch and drag the selector until the color changes to white. The canvas background will immediately update to the new color. If your project also contains a frame and you want its background to become white, click on the specific frame you want added. With the frame selected, remain in the design panel and look for the fill section. Locate the color square beside the fill property and click it to open the color picker. Drag the color selector until it reaches white, or manually enter a white color value if you prefer. The selected frame will instantly update with a white background. After applying these changes, review your canvas to confirm that both the page background and any selected frames now display a clean white color, giving your project more neutral workspace for presenting your content.